greatest journey of my life began with a small step by the foundation of eClick way back in 2010. The company is not about making money, it's about self-satisfaction, inner contentment, cultivating values, and enriching the society at large. On this occasion, I want to congratulate all of you for being a part of my family. It's because of you the journey has always been so special. Now it's time to celebrate what we have accomplished so far, and I believe I can raise the bar a little whenever we succeed. Congratulations once again for the 10 years of excellence. Special thanks for fervent effort during the lockdown period. Thanks.
I always believe in active participations and working in harmony. At eClick, every talent received an endless encouragement to move ahead. Heartiest congratulations to the entire eClick family for this journey.
Hi, it's been an awesome journey being with a company with a lot of value and integrity. We are completely passionate about what we do, and we do whatever it takes to turn dreams of our clients into reality. I sincerely thank my seniors who have nurtured this family with a lot of love and care. So I welcome all of you, all our clients, to come and experience the value of eClick and be satisfied for the whole of your business life. Thank you so much, and you do have a great day.
Being a project manager and being associated with eClick for almost 7 years, it is really an honor for me to be a part of the company. I am overjoyed to have the opportunity to work here with such an amazing team. Thank you.
I am very happy to be part of eClick digital marketing team. It gives me the great pleasure to work. I am very honored to be part of this family, hoping to build a great future ahead, rather a digital future. All the best.
Dear boss, 9 years has been passed by successfully, and I couldn't see the bar of your enthusiasm towards work get lower. I wish you a heartfelt congratulations on completion of 9 years of work anniversary. Stay home, stay safe, and love you eClick always. Thank you.
eClick giving me a solid ground to prove my skill, and I'm very proud to be a responsible member of these prestigious organizations. Congratulations to eClick and happy 9th anniversary.
A huge round of applause for eClick for completing 9 years. May this journey of corporate success continue in the coming years, and I'm really privileged to be a part of eClick family.
Wish you a very 9th anniversary to eClick. May the success will continue in the next coming years also. I am very much satisfied and happy to be a part of eClick. Congratulations. Thank you.
Happy 9th anniversary eClick, and it's been my pleasure to be a part of this family. I want to congratulate founding members for their hard work, who transformed their vision into reality and sacrificed their past for our present.